Hi everyone, very good day. Welcome to eTravels. Today I am here to talk to you regarding white label flight service. Firstly, we connected with All Indian LCC, GDS and NDC airlines. In count, approximately we are executed 150 plus LCC, 600 plus GDS and 12 NDC airlines. Today I am showing you how our flight reservation system works and its screens. I am going with a domestic flight, Hyderabad to Bangalore, one way, with economy class, one adult. Once you click on search, it redirects to the availability page. I am converting the currency into INR. So you can modify from here. Once you click on filters, it shows you all the LCC airlines such as Go Air, Indigo, SpiceJet, and you can filter based on the stages, fare types, connecting locations, price, departure and arrival. Apart from the general, we are also providing coupon, corporate and SME fares. Corporate booking is for the business travelers where it can be preponed, postponement and rescheduling will be there, and food, beverages, luggage allowances also will be there. SME fares is a small and middle enterprises where there is a zero convenience charges applicable. So once you click on fare details, it shows you what will be the cancellation and rescheduling charges for the SME, corporate and coupon fares. And I am going with the international search, that is London to Singapore sector, and I am going with a one way. So once I click on search, it redirects to the availability page where you will get all the GDS airlines. So here you can modify the search and you can see the airline matrix where you can find out what are the flights are having non-stop, one stop and two stop and which is the cheapest flight. And you can filter based on the airlines. You can see all the GDS airlines where you can select particular airline to check the price. You can filter based on the connecting locations, price, departure and arrival. And if you require the particular flight information, you can enter your email ID and mobile number so that you will receive a message with this flight information. Once you click on view details, you can see the connecting flight details and the price breakup in the right side. You can see the baggage information also. So I am going to the next page, that is customer info page, where you can find out all the flight information, and in the right side you can see the fare breakup, that is basic fare, taxes and convenience fee. So convenience fee is a transaction fee, and promo code. If you have any promo code, you can enter the promo code. So as it is an international flight, you must need to enter the passport details. So I am filling it. After that, you need to enter your contact details, that is email ID, mobile number, address and city. So as this is a general field, so GST details are not mandatory, it's optional. So I am going to the payment gateway page. Before that, if you want to preview the booking, you can click it so that you can modify if any changes required. So I am going to the next page, that is a payment gateway page. So you can enter your card details like credit card, net banking, UPI, wallets and PayPal. So once you enter your payment details, the ticket will be booked and you will receive a confirmation email with the flight details. So this is regarding the flight reservation system. For more details, you can visit our website etravels.com. and you can go to the contact us page. So if you enter your email ID, mobile number, so that our representative will get in touch with you and give you more information. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for latest updates.